Hello and welcome to another video. If your linear black and white scans look awful when you invert them, the problem might not always be your scan. It could be the actual conversion method which you are using. Remember that linear scans hold a huge amount of information, but doing a basic invert does not always turn that information into a clean, usable positive. The DBW Linear Scans is a standalone desktop application for both Windows and the Mac, and it's been built specifically for converting black and white linear scan files. Open the actual black and white linear scan that you've created, rotate it to the correct orientation, straighten if required, and then crop away any film borders that we see, either by using the freehand method or use one of the built-in aspect ratio presets. Once we've cropped away any film borders, this will give the program more information to work with when it actually does the final conversion. Press the apply crop and now the conversion has been taken place. The app can automatically detect the film base, it can apply auto exposure and auto range. Then it lets you fine tune the rest manually if required. The aim is pretty simple. A cleaner, more natural starting point from your linear scan without relying on a complicated workflow which doesn't always give you the best type of conversion, because using a simple invert is not really the correct way mathematically when dealing with linear scans. The program uses quite a few sophisticated mathematics and equations, and it understands the film density of the actual negative. Once you're happy with the conversion, now it's time to export it for the final edit with whichever program you want to use. Press the export button, choose either 16-bit TIFF or JPEG. After the export is complete, it's now ready for the final edit. If you want to try the app, download the trial version from the link in the description below. The trial version is fully functional, with the only exception that on the export there is a watermark which is removed after a license has been purchased. Hope you've enjoyed this quick video on the new DBW Linear Scans program, and please feel free to download that trial version and try it on your own black and white linear scan negatives. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye for now.